So we didn't wait for the camshaft sensor. We just tried to switch it. The camshaft intake with the camshaft exhaust. We just switch it up. Car still doesn't work. It's only cranks but no start. When the key was made, the guy said that there was a lot of water damage on the block. I don't know, the SAS block, maybe it's called like that. So we'll try to take it out to look if it's really that bad, and maybe that's where the culprit of that no start is. So the block is here, somewhere. So let's try to take apart and see. Any problem, any corrosion or something that indicates that it's bad, but I see that it's just the plastics. Let's try to open and check inside. Maybe the inside is really bad condition. I don't really know, so let's just check it. Still don't see any water, no corrosion, no water, no nothing. So after looking at the CAC module, we didn't saw any water damage, but still there is a fault code of terminal 15, and I googled it, and a lot of people saying that there could be a problem with the DMA and the SAS block, something inside shorted to ground or something like that. So we just ordered that part and the CAC block, new key. So in the meantime, till it comes, we're gonna disassemble the headliner and try to remove this broken windshield. So let's start the work. Didn't have the proper wire and handles to remove the glass, so we improvised. We used a thin cable, wrapped it around the two screwdrivers and cut the windshield out. Okay, so we took out the windshield, and the next job is to take out the headliner and all the airbags that is broken. So the steering wheel airbag, the knee airbag and the side roof airbags. I know that we need a new seat belt because of the pyro fuse that worked when the airbags worked. Removing the headliner is actually way easier than on the Porsche. On the Porsche there were a lot of screws, but here it's just a few clips. That's how we take the headliner. So it's bad. So we're gonna throw it away. So to take out the airbags, you have to remove this trim and try to remove this kind of clips. I don't know how to remove it, so we will learn in the process. I think when the sunroof goes out, it will be a lot easier to take them out. So for now, we're gonna do it like that. And those rivets, we're gonna drill out, and that's it. So it will be a lot faster and easier. We thought that if the roof is damaged, there is no sunroof glass. But we took out the plastic and we see that it's in perfect condition. Nothing is wrong with him. Only with the mechanism. It's broken here, so let's take it out and let's see. Good news, good news. Pretty heavy. When the airbags deploy, a lot of current goes through the system, and sometimes the electrical connectors actually melt. As you can see here, these connectors are completely melted. Alright, the headliner and the deployed airbags are finally out. I honestly thought this would be a lot harder, but it turned out to be a pretty easy job. Boy, we got lucky this time. The head structure isn't damaged, only the metal sheet of the roof is damaged, so we have to change it. And of course, the biggest job is front right chassis rail leg. Is twisted and bent. It will be a lot of work to change it. So in this video we showed you how we disassembled everything, tried to start the car unsuccessfully. So I think in the next video we're gonna remove the engine and we start the repair of the body. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe our videos.